there's Gizmo. I think that's Gizmo. He's wanting it. There you go. I think he's gonna be jumping up there. There he is. Hey Gizmo, how you doing? I guess you've been out long enough. He was out all night. Weren't you, Gizmo? Yeah, you were out all night, weren't you? I don't know if the rest of the cats are in. Well, I'm not even sure if Sugar's in right now, as she's been kind of in and out and all that. It's been kind of windy today too, again. Well, there's Buddy. And last time I looked, Rocky was underneath the carpet, and yeah, there he is. He's still there. Hey, Rocky. How you doing under there? Hey, buddy. I don't know. I think old Sugar might be in. I'm not. I can't remember if she came in or not. I don't see her out here. So she must be inside. She must be inside somewhere. Oh, well, there she is. She's just behind the chair. Okay. Hey, Sugar. Yay, it's finally warming up though, but you guys are decided to be in. Okay. Let's see. Last time I looked, it was 73. The last couple of days around here, we just got up in the 80s. Okay, well, it's 72 right now. I did get up to 74 for a high, so. Well, hi, Sugar. Hi, Sugar. How you doing? Huh? Hi. Hi. Yeah. Yes. Oh, Sugar. Hi, Sugar. Hi. More. She's saying more. Okay, there you go. There you go. Oh, Sugar. Gizmo. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Yes. Yes, there you go. Yeah, you're getting loved. You're getting love. Yes, you are. Okay. Yeah, there you go, Gizmo. Oh, oh. That's how he says he wants more. Okay. There you go. More love. There you go. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Mm. Oh, there you are. I was looking for you there, Sugar. How you doing, huh? How you? Yes. Yeah. How you doing? Yeah. Oh, there's. Okay, there's Gizmo. I'm going outside, you guys. Sugar, Gizmo, if you want to go, come out with me. Huh? Come on. Want to come out too, Gizmo? Come on. Come on, Sugar. There you go. There's Buddy. Hey, Buddy. Hey, Buddy. Buddy, 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 buddy. Yeah, he's just ignoring me. I'm sure. Let's see if he ignores love. You can't ignore that, can you? No, you. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, that woke Rocky up. Yeah, it woke Rocky up. Yeah, there you go. Give Rocky some loving too. There you go. Want to come out there? There you go. Gizmo. Yeah, it's windy out here today. But at least it's up in the 70s. But it was a little nicer when it was up in the 80s, though, the last couple of days. But spring is, I guess spring is trying any way to get here. I guess it's getting close. Well, I guess officially spring is here, but sometimes it doesn't feel like it. Sometimes it doesn't. What, you want to go back in? Oh, okay, there you go. Hey, Sugar, how you doing? Oh, I heard you, Gizmo. What do you want? Were you in here all by yourself? Okay. Well, Sugar's in. Did you want to come back out? Oh, wait a minute. Here comes Buddy. Buddy's coming back in. Okay. Well, okay. What about Rocky? Would you like to come back in, Rocky? I guess he's enjoying being outside too much. Okay. Well, you got plenty of water out here, and food and water out here. So yeah. Rocky. keep an eye on Rocky. I mean, not Rocky, but Buddy and Gizmo. They, for whatever reason, they don't get along too well. Do ya? Oh well. Hey Gizmo, there you go. There you go. Oh, there you go. Yes. There you go, Gizmo. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Oh. There you go. Gizmo. Hi, hey, Gizmo. Oh, Gizmo. Look at that. Wait, what? You want to go in? You want to go in too? Well, okay. Well, Rocky wanted to come in too. I think there he is. There's Buddy. Buddy, buddy, buddy. Rocky, Rocky, Rocky. Hey, Rocco. I mean, not Rocco. I don't mean Rocky. I meant Buddy. There's Rocky. There's Sugar over there. Hey, Sugar. I'm surprised it's still up in the 70s, low 70s, but it's still up in the 70s, and they want to be inside the house. Oh, I don't know. It might be the wind. I'm just surprised they're wanting to be in the house right now. They're usually wanting outside and everything, so only time they only well, I can't say the only reason, but I think one of the big reasons why they want to would want to come in the house is because it's so darn cold outside. But sometimes even that doesn't seem to bother them too much. Sometimes, but I'm sure it does. But sometimes it doesn't seem like it. Look at that. Yeah, you guys love each other, don't you? Oh, look, there's Sugar. She jumped in there. There's Gizmo. Would you guys like to go back outside? Maybe Rocky does. Oh, there they go. Make sure I don't accidentally lock myself out of the house. That'd be that'd be embarrassing. At least I'd have my phone. I don't know who I'd call, but uh, oh well. Thank goodness the door's unlocked, so I don't have to worry about it. To lock myself out of my own house. Oh, maybe I shouldn't be. Maybe I shouldn't laugh, but maybe I shouldn't. But I probably shouldn't laugh about that. Should I, you guys? Well, it sure is nice to come outside and not be freezing when I come out here. So, yay! Still windy. Hey Sugar, how you doing? Yeah, it's pretty windy, isn't it?